Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Miami Automobile. Alright guys, this will be the part 2 of this video. Alright, I'm working on this is the engine coolant bypass valve control C socket open. I just got the new one, and so this is the new one that we just got. This is the new one we just got. This is the old one. And I did a video about the coolant, which we have replaced the coolant. Or about the major problem is this, so I just got the new one that we are going to replace. So this is the fourth here. This is what we have here. We have engine coolant bypass valve C. That's the valve C control socket open. Alright guys, so we are changing it, then we'll start the car. Let's go. After that, we'll start the car. Remember, we have a lot of fault, even fuel pressure, even turbo charge and so on. And the turbo charge weight actuator high, but I erased all those codes. They are no more coming up, but the particular one that keep coming on is this engine coolant bypass valve C control socket. So let's replace it so we can start the car. Anyway guys, there we go. So guys, we'll be replacing the battery seating. Then we start the car. Put the water hose. Alright guys, we are done tightening everything here, and then the coolant that was also mixing transmission oil. So but my major problem is this, so I have to also do the video of this, that in case of when you see oil, transmission fluid mixing with water, so that you know that it's from the transmission coolant. And then we also have the engine oil coolant, which I show you under the car. So guys, let's go. So we are done, so we'll be replacing putting the battery seating so that we can start the vehicle. Alright guys, just put the battery. Move that side now, move this side. You're supposed to keep this inside here like this. Alright. Alright. This is for the SAFO. Alright guys, I'll need to start the vehicle right now. Alright guys, let's start the car. Alright, because I also fixed the ABS sensor, you can see the ABS is no more there. To the check engine, I'll be scanning the car again. Alright guys, let's run our diagnostic on the vehicle. So let's do auto scanning. Alright, we have one fault code. Let's check which fault is this. Let's check. Wow, we only have the turbocharge bypass valve socket high, so every other thing is okay. Let me do quick erase, and even on the ABS I replace the ABS sensor. So let me do quick erase. Let me do quick erase on the vehicle, and let's see what will happen. All faults are gone. Let's start the vehicle. No check engine lights. Everything has disappeared in the dashboard. Everything has disappeared on the dashboard. Alright guys, but let us reread the fault on the PCM. Let's see. I actually have 3 faults that was not going. Let's recheck it. Let's rescan and see. Okay, we have only turbocharge. Alright guys, but my major concern is that water pump bypass valve C, and right now everything is okay because the car was overheating as the result of that small pump stopped not working. Alright guys, if this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Let me take you guys to the front of the engine. Alright, this is the valve that I just replaced. Alright guys, this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share my video, and then thanks for watching.